Exercise F on percentages says we should look for 55% of 426 naira. So 55% of 426 naira can be expressed as 55 divided by 100 times 426 naira over 1. So this can be written as 55 times 426 divided by 100. Now, looking at it, based on my multiplication table, I know that 5 is a factor of 55 and 100. 5 into 55 is 11 times. 5 into 100 is said to be 20. Nothing can divide 11 and 20, so I can now consider the next term and 20. 2 can divide 20 and 426. 2 into 20 is 10. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 6 is 3. 213 times 11. This gives us 11 times 213 divided by 10. Okay, so I'll therefore multiply 213 by 11. That is 213 times 11. 1 times 3 is 312, as well as 312, giving us 3432. So this is equal to 2343 divided by 10. And when you divide that by 10, it's just for you to move the decimal point one time to your left. So this is said to be 234.3. Is this in naira? Yes. So it therefore means that 55% of 426 naira is said to be 224 naira 3 kobo. So this is what you will get. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on application of percentages to real life situations.